Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students of class 3. How are you all? Hope you will be fine and enjoying good health in these days. In the previous lecture we have discussed commutative property. In this video we will learn two same operations given in a sentence. Today our topic is two same operations in a given sentence. When there are two same operations given in a sentence, we start from the left. We start from the left when there are two same operations given in a sentence. Let's take an example. In the given sentence, there are two same operations. We will start from left. We will subtract 5 from 15. If we subtract 5 from 15, we get 10. And we will write the next digit as it is. From 10, we will subtract 2. If we subtract 2 from 10, we get 8. I repeat, when there are two same operations given in a sentence, we start from the left. Let's take another example. In this sentence, we have two same operations. And when there are two same operations given in a sentence, we start from the left. We will multiply 8 and 5. 8 into 5 we get 40. 8 into 5 we get 40. And we will multiply it with 2. 40 into 2 we get 80. 40 into 2 we get 80. Let's take another example. In this sentence, we also have two same operations and we will start from left. We will divide 100 by 10. If we divide 100 by 10, we get 10. 10 into 10 we get 100. We will divide this 10 by 5. If we divide 10 by 5, we get 2. 5 into 2, we get 10. Let's take another example. We have to add 100 and 100 and then we will add 300 in it. As we have two same operations in this sentence, we will start from left. We have to add 100 and 100. If we add 100 and 100, we get 200. And then we will add the remaining number, that is 300. Now we will move towards the next number. We will add 200 and 300. If we add 200 and 300, we get 500. Let's take another example. We have to divide 64 by 8 and then we will divide the answer by 2. There are two same operations, so we will start from left. We will divide 64 by 8. If we divide 64 by 8, we get 8. Now we will divide this 8 by 2. If we divide 8 by 2, we get 4. 2 into 4, we get 8. If we divide 8 by 2, we get 4. Now we will multiply 10, 5 and 2. As there are two same operations in this sentence, we will start from the left. First of all, we will multiply 10 and 5. 10 into 5 we get 10 into 5 we get 50. 10 into 5 we get 50. And we will multiply it with the remaining number, that is 2. 50 into 2, it's 100. 50 into 2, we get 100. Let's take another example. From 60 we will subtract 30, and from the answer we will subtract 10. As we have two same operations in this sentence, from where we will start? We will start from the left. From 60 we will subtract 30. If we subtract 30 from 60, we get 30, and then we will subtract the remaining number from it. From 30 we have to subtract 10. Now students, subtract 10 from 30 and tell me the answer. We get 20. From 30, if we subtract 10, we get 20. Here we have another example. In 45, we have to add 10 and then we will add 5. As there are two same operations, we will start from left. In 45, we will add 10 first. In the first step, we will add 45 and 10. If we add 10 and 45, we get 55. In 55, we will add the remaining number, that is 5. In 55, if we add 5, we get 60. In 55, we will add 5 and we will get 60. In this video, we have discussed two same operations given in a sentence. In the next video, we will discuss about the fraction. Take care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.